baby prawns fry. Half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and that is 50 grams of curds along with the salt. I am going to marinate it for 10 minutes. You can keep it for more than 10 minutes. Half a spoon of salt. Marinate it. If you are adding the lemon juice, you need not add the curds. I am not using the lemon juice, so I am adding the curds. Keep it for marination for 10 to 15 minutes. Going to grind 1 tomato and 5 garlic parts into a fine paste. Adding sufficient oil. 3 cardamom, 100 grams of onion slice. Even you can use the small onion. Say 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste because I have used the garlic crust. Now we are using very less red chilies here, but we are using the pepper here. It is good for health now at this season. The marinated baby prawns. Now in this season the baby prawns are available. Don't lose them. It's very good for health and also for small kids. Fry it well. No need to add the water because this will give the water. And add the crushed garlic and also the tomato, 1 apple tomato. Let it cook, say for 5 minutes. Like that, you can add the curry leaves. Curry leaves will give the flavor and also the taste. Fresh curry leaves. You can add little of salt. Let it cook for say 7 minutes. See, I have not added the water. The prawns have just oozed out the water, and then that is enough to cook the prawn. When half the water is absorbed, then evaporated, I will be adding the dry masalas. Now adding garam masala and cumin powder. 1 teaspoon of garam masala and 3/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. Let it fry. 1 tablespoon of pepper powder. Adding half a lemon juice. Those who want sour taste, they can add this, or they can add extra 1 more tomato. After 3 minutes, you can keep it for simmering for 20 seconds, and then you can allow it to cool for 1 minute and then serve it. slow down. The prawn fry is ready. It is like THOKKU. Fry will be very dry because we can eat it with the rice, paratha and bread also. So I have made it like this. It will be very tasty, this THOKKU fry. You will like it, will enjoy it. Please see the video fully and see wash the masalas. Do the procedure as I did. You will get a very tasty, tangy and a good healthy recipe of baby prawn fry THOKKU. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to Nani's Kitchen and press the bell icon so that you can get my videos first. Now let us serve it. See, very tasty and yummy smell is coming. Hope you will like it.